Okay guys, one thing I know for sure is that to majority of people that will be viewing this video, WhatsApp is a very useful app on their phone, and that might include you too. Every one of us, we love using WhatsApp. Okay, so but then did you actually know that right now WhatsApp has a new feature called the Llama? Okay, Llama is the WhatsApp AI, which you can literally use to do a whole bunch of things. Like you can use it to generate pictures, images, logos. All right, you can also use this same AI to generate any type of business idea you can think of, or if you want to use it to generate stories. Imagine you just talking to WhatsApp AI and then you're able to achieve this kind of logo. If you want to create this kind of logo with graphic designers, they're going to charge you for a lot of money, right? But WhatsApp is going to create it for you for free. You just talk to it and that's it. Also, imagine generating an image like this with WhatsApp, with just WhatsApp. Not this time around, not Lineado.ai, not Being, not any other image generation AI out there, but your WhatsApp. This is massive because now you can easily just pick up your phone and then go to your WhatsApp and just ask AI any question. And besides, there's no limit. Okay, so but before we dive into the whole thing, all right, guys, do well to subscribe to this channel because on this channel we are going to be discussing a whole lot of new inventions, new ideas, technology, AI, and how to make money. Real ones, not just the ones that people talk about, the real ones that are really going to make you money. All right, those are the things we're going to be talking about on this channel. So do well to subscribe to this channel, and at the same time make sure you give me a thumbs up. All right, yeah, like this video. So let's dive into it. All right, boom, let's go to my screen. You can see this is my WhatsApp. I'm just going to open it right now, and this is inside of my WhatsApp. So a few days ago I was pressing my WhatsApp and I suddenly noticed these two icons, this one here and this one here. I know about AI and how you can use it for your own benefit. And I was like, okay, let me try this out. And then I did it. The first thing I created was a diamond drink. Let me see if I can find it. This is the first thing I've ever created on this Llama. You can see the name, Llama 3. And then I asked it to generate this boy. You can see the prompt I gave it. I just said, imagine a handsome Nigerian boy. And this is what I got. A cute looking, handsome Nigerian boy. You can imagine that. So I decided to go further and then I started creating a lot of things. This is a story that I also created. Okay, this is when I asked it to create a story for me. I asked it to create a story about a boy and a girl who fell in love with each other but had background challenges and couldn't continue in love, right? And this is what I got. And trust me, if you read this story, you will be thrilled. But then I did something. So I told the AI to generate a series of befitting, perfect picture to tell this story. The same story AI told me, I only just put it in a quote. So this is it right here. The same story, just the same story. And then he gave me a description of each picture. These 14 pictures gave me description of each. So then I was like, okay, since you have given me the description, then generate the image. So I said, imagine a visual representation of the following descriptions. So I gave it to it, but it couldn't do it. It said he tried to generate visual representation of the description, but an error occurred. So it couldn't generate the pictures. Why? Is because Llama only generates one picture at a time, or if he has to generate two pictures, he has to match all of them in one picture. So, and that's why I feel like he didn't. So what I did was I decided to now start copying them one by one. I started copying the descriptions one by one, and this is what I got for the first one. Okay, and for the second one, this is what I got. So the third one, this is what I got. Can you imagine this? So the fifth one, the fourth one, this is what I got. This is again another thing. As I'm entering the descriptions he gave, the AI gave me, this is where I started getting. You see, you see, this is where I started getting. This is where I started getting. So if I'm telling this story now, I can easily be using these pictures to represent it. So I'm like, okay, this is for white people. let me go and generate a story of black people, you know. So I went ahead. This is still part of the pictures it generated for Emily and Jack's story, you know. So this is still part of it. This was the last one. But then I decided to go for Nigerian story. Okay, this is when I asked the AI to generate business ideas in Nigeria. And this is what he gave me. He said, here are some business ideas in Nigeria. He says agriculture. And he said, go ahead to say Nigeria has a vast agricultural sector, and investing in farm processing of or distribution of agricultural products can be lucrative. That's one. And then the second one, he said e-commerce. And then he went ahead and said starting an e-commerce platform or online store can thrive in Nigeria's growing digital market. And that's very true. And the third one, he said renewed energy. He said Nigeria has abundant sunlight and wind resources, making solar and wind energy viable business opportunity. So went ahead and say food processing. It says processing and packaging local food like snacks, spices, and condiments can be a profitable venture. And then he also went ahead and said education and training, offering educational services, skill acquisition program, blah blah blah. This all these are on point. He said technology and software development, and then he went ahead and said developing software solution, mobile app, or offering IT service can thrive in Nigeria growing tech industry. And that's very true. Let's say I don't have any business idea, I don't know what to do. I can just ask this AI to generate an idea for me. I went ahead and say create unique ideas to make huge income in the online space for Nigeria. And this is what I got. He said digital marketing agency. That's amazing. He went ahead and said commerce again, and then say online courses. Of course. And then he went ahead and told me where I can even sell the online courses. He said create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, focusing on topics like technology, entrepreneurship, or creative skill. He also say here blogging. He said here affiliate marketing. All these are on point. Still went ahead. You can see a whole lot more ideas. All right. So this is when I asked it to get me best forex trading strategy, and this is what it got me. Can you believe this? These are all the strategies it got me. Let's start from number one. Number one said trend following. And then he explained it by saying identify and follow the direction of the market trend. That's very true. That's very on point. And then number two, he says range trading. He said buy and sell within an identified price range. It's also true because I trade forex and I know what he's talking about. Like what I've discovered right now is that at this point, everyone is supposed to pay attention to AI and see how they can turn it to benefit them, to make money from it. Because the way it is, AI is literally going to do every single thing you want. And this is just the beginning of AI. Like the future ahead of us is looking way too good. All right, for creative minds. If you're creative, AI will help you generate a whole, like every single thing that you need. These ideas I have here by this AI, if I want to get it from some consultants out there, I'm going to pay a huge amount of fee just to get all of this. Consultants are out of the game. Like it has taken them out of the game. And look at this picture. The same prompt. Look at this picture. Exactly what I asked for. Is exactly what I asked for. I say, imagine an excited young black lady with a braided hair wearing a corporate outfit with a green jacket and very close to the camera, leaning forward with one hand on her chest and right hand on holding on smartphone, showing the smartphone screen to the camera. This is exactly what it's doing. Everything is perfect. Now, what I'm trying to show here is that now this is taking two businesses out of the way. modeling and photographers, they're out of the way, because if I want to brand my business, I'm going to pay some models, and then I'm going to hire a photographer, and then we're going to run the photo shoot and all of that. But then with just WhatsApp AI, guess what? I got everything I need just like that on my phone. So why should I go and hire a model and go for a photo shoot when I have something like this on my phone? Okay. So no, 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 no. This has taken them. Meta AI is massive, or let me call it Llama 3 is amazing. And the pictures comes out perfect most of the time. Perfect. Look at these pictures. Okay. So going forward, so I told you that I created African stories. This is it right here. I said, write a story about a black boy and black girl who fell in love with each other but had background challenges and couldn't continue in love. So, immediately, this is it. This is the story. Can you see it? And he writes, he says, once upon a time in a small town, there lived a black boy named Kofi and a black girl named Nala. They met in high school again, and were immediately drawn to each other's warm smile and kind hearts. As they spent more time together, their connection deepened and they fell deeply in love. Now, he said, went ahead and said, Kofi came from a struggling single parent household, working multiple jobs to support his family. Nala, on the other hand, was raised in a traditional and conservative family that valued education and social status above all else. Despite their differences, their love for each other only grew stronger. You can go on and read this whole story. Then I told it to also generate pictures for me, the picture descriptions for me. And then I used the same picture description to generate this. So when I entered the first description, this is the school I got, but it's a Nigerian African story. So I didn't like this picture. It looks too foreign. So I decided to put some Nigerian stuff in it. And then I got this school, which is perfect for Nigerian school. Are you kidding? Look at it. It's perfect for Nigerian school. So then I went ahead, but something happened here, and it's funny. When I entered the prompt, the one he gave me to generate picture of Nala and Kofi smiling at each other, and then he gave me lions, one male lion and female lion. But then I repeated it, and this is what I got. Then I felt like this is way too young for the story, and then I decided to generate more, and then I got this. This is what I got. Isn't this freaking amazing? This is what I got. Why are you kidding me right now? Even has their names on it. Kofi and Nala. This is Kofi at the top. This is Nala at the bottom. This is amazing. Then I went ahead. Okay, this is also another picture of Kofi representing him doing multiple jobs. You know. So I went ahead. So this is a picture of them reuniting in the future. So I decided to mess with the pictures, the descriptions, and all of that, and I started getting all of these pictures. And then I got this one too. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is amazing. Okay, so now I can use these pictures to tell the story and put them on YouTube, and people are gonna watch it, and then I'm gonna make money. Okay, you see how you can make money with this WhatsApp AI, right? So you can just create a story, and then it will also help you to generate the pictures you need, and then all you have to do is just tell the story. And then you might not have to tell the story. You can just go and use another AI to tell the story, or you can just use CapCut to tell the story. CapCut does something called text to voice. It's on CapCut. You can just copy the story, the story, the text, and dump it on CapCut, and CapCut is going to convert it to voice. You choose your voice that you want, and then boom, it's out. All you're gonna do next is put it on YouTube and make money from it. So you can just generate anything. Then I decided to generate logos with it. Okay. So, but then I generated this logo before, this particular logo. This is the prompt. I said, imagine WhatsApp AI logo. Without wasting any time, he gave me this. And I'm like, wait, what? This is way too perfect. And then I went ahead and did this. This was the prompt. And then he gave me this. This is 3D. This is 3D logo. Like, you don't have to stress yourself. And then I got this again. These are all 3D logos. Now, don't forget that when you're creating with AI, any type of AI, everything has to do with you. You know, what you tell the AI is what the AI is going to give you back. If you give Llama too complicated, unrealistic description, it will simply tell you it can't generate that one. But if you tell it straightforward description, it's going to make it perfect. So I went ahead and generated all of this. Okay, those are some of the images I generated. But then let's see what I'm going to get again this time around. We tell a story or we should generate business ideas. Okay, let's generate business ideas. Just type online business ideas for a young Nigeria girl. Okay, so let's see. It's at work. You can see how it's typing. You can see it's not like you can literally see him typing, right? And he also want me to like it or dislike it, but I'm gonna like it. I don't really see it, but I trust him. Okay, now let's see what he has brought us. So this was our prompt. This is what we asked him to do. And then he said, here are some online business ideas suitable for a young Nigerian lady. He is very precise. He said virtual assistants offer administrative, technical, or creative service remotely. This is on point. This is on point. We all know what virtual assistant means. This is on point. Now, he went ahead and said social media management. This is also on point. Like, I'm amazed. Like, I never thought a day will come where WhatsApp can be doing all of this for anyone or for its user. Okay. Number 3 says online tutoring. Of course, freelance writing or editing. Of course, it's perfect for a lady. E-commerce, of course, it's perfect for a lady. Do you get? This is massive. So you can do a whole lot of things. Just be creative. Anything that comes to your mind, just give it to Lama. Lama is going to do justice to it. All right. And if you want to know how you can actually use this AI to create to make money on YouTube, then watch out for my next video because I'll be creating the next video. The next video is going to be focusing on how to make money with this amazing AI. Okay, so this is all I have to do for now. You have seen it. Please do well to subscribe to this channel because on this channel, all we are focusing on this channel is technology, AI, and how you can use them to make money for yourself. That's all. Okay. If it's not making money, it's not making sense. That's how it is. Subscribe and like, and also share this video because a lot of people have WhatsApp and they have no idea this tool is on their WhatsApp right now. So share this video to them so they can see that they can do a whole lot just on their phone. Okay. And also I have a special information about WhatsApp. Okay, there's another WhatsApp update that's coming. That's literally going to help you make money on WhatsApp. All you have to do is to post on your WhatsApp status. Yes, by simply posting on your WhatsApp status, you are going to be making money on WhatsApp. Okay. And the things you are going to be posting on WhatsApp status are just advertisements from different companies. Your own is just to post it, and you can make up to 36,000 naira in a month, and you can make a whole lot more than that because that's not even the only way you can make money with the platform. Okay, so start immediately. It's dropped. Okay, I'm gonna drop it. If you're interested, this is my phone number right here. Message me on this phone number. and tell me you're interested in advertising on WhatsApp and making up to 36K per month. And I'm going to share the whole details with you. Okay.